Hello everyone, this is Akram and today we are going to learn about this big 7 segment display and how we can interface it with Arduino. So this 7 segment display is actually 2.3 inch display unit, and this one which I have is the common anode 7 segment display. The basic difference between common anode or the common cathode is that in common anode a 7 segment display you have to provide this 5 volt, or in this case this big 7 segment display requires at least 7 volt or up to 12 volt you can provide at the common anode pin. But in the common cathode pin you just need to connect the common cathode pin to the ground pin of your microcontroller, and in this case I am going to use Arduino. So the basic difference between this big 7 segment display and the smaller 7 segment display is actually the pin out diagram. Here as you can see that there are 5 pins in the top and 5 pins in the bottom, and similarly in the smaller 7 segment display. So in this 7 segment display I am going to show you first of all that what is the pin out diagram, because the actual code is similar which you will use in the smaller 7 segment display, and this code will run on this one also. So this is the pin out diagram of this 2.3 inch 7 segment display. Here as you can see that there are pins specified in this figure: A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and this one is the decimal point. And here you can see that there are 2 common anode pins. So in this way I have connected it with the digital pins of the Arduino Uno, and let me just show you. Here as you can see that it is already connected. I have connected the circuit, and this one here I have a battery, lithium ion battery, and this one is the Arduino Uno, and this one is the 2.3 inch 7 segment display, where you can see that the code is running of the counter of from 0 up to 9. Okay, so if this video helps you in any way, please do share, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.